Okay guys, I went to Walmart and picked up on a few items. Sometimes I run out of butane, so I went and got this stove. I think it's one top stove right here. Whenever I'm out and I don't have any more butane for my stove, I use the electric stove. And I went and got me a My Mini. This was like Walmart, about, I think it was like 14 bucks. Matter of fact, this was like 10 bucks. So the burner was 10 and this right here was like 14, and it both come from Walmart. I'm gonna see how well they work. And I've also bought another storage container. When you open it, it's a storage box. So that way I can put my clothes in here. And I have more room to store whatever I need to store. I'm actually cleaning out my junk drawer. I'm putting all my junk in this container right here. I call it my junk drawer, but it's not junk. Pretty sure these are things that I'm gonna need. Especially cigarette lighters. Trying to get more space in here. Trying to eliminate all the things that I don't need in here. Plan on taking this dresser out of here and provide more room for myself, because I really don't need the dresser. That's why I bought the thing to take all my clothes out of here. This right here. I'm gonna put all my clothes inside. I got this from Walmart for like 20 bucks. It's like a cube. This piece goes in the inside. Kind of hot, guys. Sitting here rearranging everything. Got me kind of a little sweaty. Um, yeah, I'm making a little bit more room. Things that don't use and haven't been using, getting rid of it. Um, like the dresser, I got rid of that because I needed more room, more space. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put this microwave. Good morning, everyone. Greetings and blessings to everyone out there. This morning, I'm opening up some packages I received. Right here is a fridge that I got. This fridge right here, I had to get it because the other fridge I had, the college dorm refrigerator, it was draining a lot of my power. And I felt that it was draining actually too much of my power. So buying a 12-volt refrigerator, that would leave me a tremendous amount of power left. And I don't have to worry about just going to the campground just to plug it up. I can also do more boondocking now. I can just get it out the box. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, this is what we got here. Once again, it just pops open, and you have these are the adapters, the power cords. You have one that plugs into the cigarette lighter. You have a plug that plugs into a socket, two-piece. And yeah, this will be enough for me. You just snap it and got a nice little snug to it. But it's a mini fridge, and it'll do for what I need it for. Yeah, it's called the C9P2. It's the portable refrigerator, and I'm about to unbox it. This will help me tremendously with my boondocking, stealth camping. I don't necessarily have to go to state parks as much now. I can just roam around now. Let's get this thing plugged up. It also was listed on Amazon for 93 bucks. It's Apple Cool mini fridge, and it's a C9PT. And from the look of it, I plugged it into my Jackery, and it's only pulling
26 watts. -4. It says it's 72 degrees in here. And now it's on -4. Let's see how long it takes to cool off. While I'm allowing the refrigerator to charge up, I have another package I'm about to open too as well. This is the Dokyo solar system kit from Amazon. 160 watt panels. These are the cards. You have these things that come in. I guess that goes to your power station. It fits this adapters to all the power stations. If you want to charge your power station solar. It has I don't know what, I don't even know what to say what this is. But whatever it is, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be quite useful. Okay, you have your clamps. This goes to the battery. So it goes to this. The solar charger controller. Yeah, solar charger controller. So what I'm seeing is okay, that's for the battery. These clamps go for the battery. Okay, this is it's another piece. See, that goes in here. Okay, that goes like that. Okay. And this right here, this connects to the solar panels. Yeah, this will connect to the solar panels. Let's take a look at the solar panels, guys. Okay, it's the Dokyo. It has a pocket on the side. Nothing's in it. Wow. There you go, guys. Like I said, it's a 160 watt panel. It unfolds 4 ways. It has 4 panels. So let's go to plug right here. So I guess this plugs into here, like that. And this goes into this. Yeah, like that. And this goes into, it's an easy installment. It's very, very easy. And it's like that. It's hooked to your battery. Now you got your battery charger. So we're gonna have to hurry and get this to some use. Okay, yeah, that's how that works. All right. Okay. Boom. It don't snap. It don't have no. It's just easy. It's an easy way to just take it loose. And there you have it. I will be hooking this up in a minute, charging up some of my batteries. But right now, so now I guess I gotta figure out where I'm gonna stationary my refrigerator now. I got a place for it. Here in the Dokio, it also turns into a carrier where you can just fold it up and carry it anywhere. It's very, very portable. And you can put your plugs in the side right here. Okay guys, I'm kind of cleaning up right now. Straightening up, getting everything tidy so I can hit the road. Yeah guys, after getting another refrigerator, this is gonna shed a lot of light upon me because I don't have to use so much power now. I'm gonna be able to store a lot more power and use the solar to gain more power as well. The other, I Googled my other solar panel and it actually comes from Harbor Freights, and it is nothing but 25 watt solar panel. I didn't know how many watts the solar panel was. I just knew that it powered pretty slow. And me having a 160 watt solar panel now, I'm pretty sure that things gonna look on the bright side for me. Which is cool because now I'm powered with 210 watts of power running DC to DC, meaning it's running from my alternator. My alternator charges the 210 watt. It's batteries that I have under the bed, and I have that way of having power. I have my Jackery 290. That's a way of having power, and just by changing up, it's gonna be great for me. The fridge was taking up a lot of power to where the only way that I was really able to use my fridge was when I was in the parks, venturing off in state parks and everything, and I was parked. I had to have outside power source, and I even bought a battery charger. It wasn't like the best idea. It worked, but now that I've been more educated with the solar, things are gonna go better. I had to really do my homework with this solar and this battery powered stuff, and now I actually know about it now. It just was all about what I wanted. All before I was like looking at it, but I really wasn't looking at it. Now I can see it because I've paid close attention to it, and now I actually know how to hook it up and everything myself. I probably have maybe, I would say 5 hours invested in learning about solar all together, maybe 5 hours. I sat there and I watched so, excuse me, so many YouTube channels about solar and how to hook it up and batteries and things like that. It could be more hours than 5, but I know for sure a good 5 hours. Googling and seeing what matched what and just YouTubing. Now I got a good idea on everything now. I will upgrade again. It's just the point that I didn't really want any solar panels on top of my roof yet. Not yet. I want to kind of, fiddle around with the portable panels first to see, how well it's gonna do. But eventually, I will have solar panels on my roof. I'm actually thinking about different high top because I want to be able to stand up in the van. But that's for future. And so in due time, it's gonna come. Right now, I'm just smooth sailing and enjoying myself, enjoying my time, enjoying my own company, meeting new people. With that being said, passion is just traveling now. Those Durkio panels, solar panels, they're gonna come in handy in many ways. And I'm gonna have the link in my description for the mini fridge and also the solar panels. They come both from Amazon. Today is going to be the day that I give them both a try and see how well it goes. I have my refrigerator cooling now. It's on. And I have it right in the front. Please forgive me. I do have some cleaning up to do, but I put my mini fridge right there in the front. And that's where it's gonna be located now. And also my AC is like right there. So, there go the fridge. I kept some of the installation that was in the box. I just put that under it. So all my food is stored under my bed now. So this is what it looks like under my bed. This is where the refrigerator was under the bed at first. And it's been moved. So now I have my food pantry inside of here, under the bed. And guys, I drink alkaline water. This is my alkaline water. It also has a little thing right here. Whenever I want some water, I can just push this button down and it's gonna let water out. I'm feeling a little lazy. I could be exercising a little bit, but I'm just lounging around for right now. If it's a little noisy, that's my fan. It's on right now. It's difficult for me to decide like which direction I want to go. All I look for is an adventure. Things that I've never seen before. Just new things. I like. Every morning I wake up, I want to discover something new. I don't like doing the same thing every day over and over again. Just continuously doing the same thing. I don't really like doing that. I like to have new things in my life. But it's cool. Everything will be okay. It's just a lazy morning for me. I might just go take a walk. But I do want to thank all you guys out there who's joined my channel. I'm really enjoying making these videos. I'm really enjoying traveling. I'm really enjoying going to the places that I go. And I give you guys thanks for following me on my journey. And just want to say thank you. I love the comments. I love the participation that you give while watching the videos, and I'm happy to see that y'all enjoy my videos, my content. It feels great, and you guys is what keeps me going, because at first I didn't even realize to what extent these videos can go. I didn't realize that I would actually be meeting some real good people just by the content that I create. And I don't want to just give you guys some boring content, because my life is boring and I'm trying to make it adventurous. I'm just doing the things that I like to do. I'm just being myself. I'm just doing me. And by me doing me, a lot of you guys have a lot in common with me. That's why you watch my content and watch the videos. And I really appreciate that. I'm actually doing things that make me happy. And the things that I do that makes me happy, some of y'all might not agree with it, but you have to keep in mind, this is me. It makes me happy. All my life, everything I did was to make someone else happy, not to make me happy. I'm doing me. I want to be happy. Me. I want to be happy, and I want to do the things that makes me happy. And if, some of you guys don't agree with what I'm doing, I'm sorry. Because everything that I do, every content that I put up, these are things that makes me happy. I'm not disrespectful. You got one life. Live your life. Do whatever makes you comfortable and makes you happy. Just don't disrespect anyone while you doing you. I live my life in misery for so long to impress other people. As to where the people that's more of what I want to become, they're right in my face. They're around me. I'm meeting them day to day. And I'm doing exactly what I want to do. And the people that I'm meeting, we are like-minded, because now I don't glamorize and I don't want the big materialistic things anymore. I just want the minimum things, because I'm more at peace. I don't have to impress no one anymore. I'm impressing myself. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to get up from here and stop being bored and lazy and get myself together. I got to hang my robe up, and I'll get with you guys later. So, peace, love, and happiness. And may God control your path and show y'all the right direction that y'all need to be going in. Keep happiness in your heart.